Cops and prisoners injured in Richmond Park accident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
2 prisoners and a group of police officers were taken to hospital after the vehicle they were traveling in overturned in Richmond Park, St. Andrew on Thursday afternoon, September 9th. Reports surrounding the incident are that about 3:30 p.m., police personnel were transporting the prisoners to an undisclosed location when the police vehicle and a Nissan Sunny motor car collided. It was not immediately clear how many police officers were in the vehicle. However, sources say that 2 prisoners were aboard. The victims of the crash were rushed to hospital where they are now receiving medical treatment. The extent of their injuries is unknown at the time of this publication.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!